In this video, we're going to do an exercise on the white keys, great for beginners. The left hand is going to have broken triads on the white keys. We're going to start at the C position, and we're going to be moving up successive white key positions. So the D position, the E position, F, G, A, B, C. And then we'll reverse direction and come down. Okay, that is what one hand is doing, but we are coordinating with the right hand. The right hand is going to have, it's also one finger per key, that's sort of classic pentascale position. It's only going to use, though, the thumb and the fifth finger, the outer two of that classic beginner's hand position. This is an open fifth. In popular culture, it's considered a power chord. Power chords definitely get used down here typically. All right, but we're going to use power chords in the right hand. Actually, we're using open fifths and we're going to break the tones. From the bottom note, top note, and then we move to D. Bottom note, top note, E to B, F to C, G to D. When we get here, we're going to reverse the direction, just like we're going to do with our triads in the left hand. So this hand has the broken triad. This hand has the broken open fifth. This has two tones. This one has three. How we're going to do this? The C's are going to come together. Left hand has the E, and then the G's are going to come together. Then we move to D, same idea. Move to E, same idea. F, G, A, B, C, and reverse direction, the G's come together to C, and then F's come together, B's together, etc. All right, so here's the whole exercise. Exercise for beginners. Have fun with that.